Unlike many free AI chatbots, Google Gemini can generate images. Google Gemini, the latest generative AI chatbot from Google, has been making waves in the AI community. Known initially as Bard, it was rebranded in December 2023 as Google Gemini and now serves as a formidable competitor to ChatGPT. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to use Google Gemini. What is Google Gemini? Google Gemini is a versatile AI chatbot capable of generating text, images, videos, audio, and code. It operates on multiple large language model LLM options like Gemini Nano, Pro, Ultra, and Advanced, catering to various user needs. Initially integrated into Google Workspace apps, Gemini now stands alone, accessible for free at its basic level, with advanced options available for a fee. How to sign up to Google Gemini. Signing up is straightforward. If you have a Google account, use it to access the Gemini site. 1. Go to the Google Gemini website. 2. Click Sign In with your existing Google account or create account for a new one. 3. Read and accept any terms of service and notifications. 4. Explore the main interface, including the welcome message and prompt box. 5. Click on your Google account icon in the upper right corner to check account details. 6. Review and adjust settings through the menu icon in the upper left corner. 7. Start using Gemini by typing your first prompt into the text box. 8. Experiment with different features like image generation or language translation. Gemini works similarly to other AI chatbots. Start your prompts with commands like write, solve, summarize to clarify your request. You can ask Gemini to explain complex topics, generate stories, translate languages, or solve math problems. Remember to provide enough detail in your prompts for accurate results. Create images on Google Gemini. Unlike many free AI chatbots, Google Gemini can generate images. Use prompts like generate an image of a futuristic car driving through an old mountain road and experience the photorealism Gemini offers. This capability sets it apart from its competitors, providing more creative opportunities. Google Gemini Advanced. For a more enhanced experience, Gemini Advanced offers a subscription at $20 per month. It includes Gemini integration in Gmail, Docs, and other Google Workspace apps, along with perks like extra storage, Google Photos features, and premium video calling. A free 2-month trial is available for those who want to test its capabilities. Gemini extensions. Extensions allow you to use Gemini as a powerful search tool. By using the mentioned with your prompt, you can direct the AI to focus on specific Google services like flights, maps, or YouTube, streamlining tasks like summarizing videos or finding travel options. Google Gemini stands as a powerful tool in the realm of AI chatbots. Whether for professional use, creative projects, or everyday queries, it provides a robust multimodal AI platform. Its user-friendly interface, combined with advanced features and privacy controls, makes it a top choice for those seeking a comprehensive AI experience.